For many kids, fishing means being around water, and water can feel exciting, but sometimes a little intimidating. Helping kids feel comfortable around lakes, rivers, and creeks isn't about pushing them past their comfort zone. It's about building confidence slowly, safely, and calmly. Start by letting kids explore the water environment without pressure to fish. Let them watch the water move. Let them throw rocks, walk along the shoreline, or dip their toes in shallow areas while you stay close. Different water environments can feel very different to kids. Lakes feel calm and still. Rivers move and create sounds that might feel unfamiliar. Creeks can feel smaller and more playful. Introducing these environments gradually helps kids feel safe and curious instead of overwhelmed. Confidence grows through repetition and calm experiences. When kids feel secure around water, fishing becomes more enjoyable and outdoor confidence grows naturally. The goal isn't just teaching kids how to fish. It's helping them feel at home in the environments where fishing happens. If you enjoy simple, honest parenting ideas for fishing with kids, feel free to like and subscribe.